time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go.
This time, we're gonna talk about stretching the watercolor paper. So, when watercolor paper absorbs liquid, it buckles and deforms because as you continue to paint, pigment tends to run into the flow valleys and settle into pools. Stretching your paper is the common solution. Alright, so I hope that this also helps you. And if you're new here into this channel, please like and subscribe. And if you're new to the website or to the page, please like and share and follow. So see you again on the next art.
Doubters overnight, and after them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plant of intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing on wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.